Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can reset or customize TikTok For You page. I'm going to be showing you various methods on how you can customize your For You page, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So first thing, before getting started, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version, and then let's get started. So in order to customize your For You page, now there are various methods. So the first method, what you can do is you can clear cache. First of all, you need to log in into your TikTok account, and once you're logged into your TikTok account, you need to click on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. As you click on the profile icon, you'll be directed to the profile page, and in the top right corner, you'll be able to see your three dot icon. Click on it. As you click on it, you'll be directed to settings and privacy page, and then you'll need to scroll down and then click on clear cache and cellular data. Next, interface, you need to select on free up space, and then tap on clear. So once you've done that, go to your For You page once again and then scroll through to find any videos you dislike. And when you find it, you need to long press on it, and as you long press on it, a pop-up appears right in center, and then you need to click on not interested. Now do the same procedure with the rest of the videos that you dislike, and after that you've customized your TikTok For You page. And alternatively, you can choose hide videos with the sound or hide videos from this user to prevent it from appearing on your For You page. After you've done that, the app should have an idea of what you like and what you dislike. So the next time when you open a TikTok application, and your For You page will be recommended with the videos that you like. So that was the first method. So moving on with the second procedure, what you can do is, in order to improve your TikTok For You page, you can hit the follow button. If you have recently created a TikTok account and you have no followers following any of the content, so then you'll need to follow some certain content or the user in order to customize your For You page. And for the method number 3, what you can do is you can rewatch the video that you like. So by default, if you watch certain videos for a certain amount of time, or if you rewatch the videos for a longer period of time as compared to other videos, then automatically TikTok will recommend you videos that is similar to the video that you've rewatched. And for the fourth method, what you can do is you can hit like and then share. So if you like certain content, then you can share it among your friends, and then you can also hit the like button. Likewise, TikTok will recommend you such videos or similar videos that you've liked or shared. So for the fifth step, what you can do is you can use the discover feature. So in order to use it, you need to click on the search tool, which will be in the top right corner, and after that you need to type in certain users or the content that you wish to see. As you type in, you'll be recommended with list of videos that is similar to it, and then you can watch the videos. So those were the method on how you can customize TikTok For You page. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.